Hello friends, welcome to the Angular 8 tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn what is the pipe in Angular 8 and what is the use of the pipes in the Angular 8. So basically, Angular provides some filter uh, which is known as the pipes, like which is basically pipe is used to format or transform the data into the desired output. And like for an example, like I have given a name from the control, or we can say from the component, but I want to show all the name in the uppercase. Then in that kind of scenario we use the pipe, like the coming input from the uh, user, we want to show in some formatting or some desired output on the browser, we use the pipe. So this is the basically pipe symbol which we use to take in the Angular. And Angular provide many built-in type pipe which is used to translate the data into the desired output, and as well as we can create our custom pipe also. So basically there are two type of pipe available in Angular 8, like built-in pipe and the custom pipe. Like custom pipe means as per our desire we can create pipe and we can use to show the data on the browser. And built-in pipe is basically two types, like parameterized pipe and multi-pipe. We will understand briefly about these pipe in the coming videos. So basically there are some basic pipe defined in the Angular 8, like currency means like we have any uh, amount and or salary we want to show in a particular currency format, like dollar, rupee, euro kind of scenario, we use the currency pipe. Then next is the date, like particular date we want, like in particular format we want to show the date, then we use the date. In similar way others are like uppercase, lowercase, we use the pipe. So let's understand more about this pipe using an example. So for that what I will take one student info and I will show on the browser, and let's see how it is showing. So for that I am taking one student variable and I will take constructor, and in constructor I will define this student info, means this detail I will show, and I will take name I will take as name1, and I will take next age, and age I will take like 18, and next I will take dob, and dob I will take like, so basically it consider first as a month and second as a date. So I will take like uh, 02 means February, and next I will take like uh, uh, day of the month, so I will take like 14th, and next I will take as a year, so I will take 1990. And now let's copy all this, and so we will make it fast. Here I will take 1993, here I will take 1995, here I will take month as a 12, and here I will take like 01, here I will take 08, and this is 21. Let's save it, put comma here, let's save it again, and now here I will take one table to show the data student info on the table. So I will take table, and here I will take one tr. In tr I will define th to show the columns, and in this th I will write like name. I'll copy it, so we'll make it fast as well, and here I will write age, and here I will take dob, and I'll take one border also, so it will show data in proper way. Now next again we'll take the tr to show student info. So in this tr I will make the loop, so star ng4 equal to let is for declaring a variable info of, and this variable I already explained about ng4 and ng each 4 in the previous track Y and the ng4 in the previous tutorial. If you didn't watch, I recommend you to please go and see more about these ng4 and the interpolation in the last video. So now what I will do, I will show these student information on the browser. So I will copy it, and we will take those info using an interpolation. So name, in this way we'll show, copy it, and here we have to take this, and here again now here I will take as age, and here I will take DOB. Now let's save it and see on the browser what it is showing. So as of now we didn't put any pipe on this, so it should show as expected on the browser, like normally as we have given the input. Now let's see on the browser. So we can see it is showing correct data. So for all people we have given same age. So what we will do, we will change it, like I will give it 20, and here I will give 20. No, let's save and see on the browser. So it will change the date as well. So it is working as expected. Now what I want all name as in the uppercase. So what I will do, I'll put one pipe on the name. So giving the pipe, we use this symbol and we write like uppercase, and save it and see on the browser. All names should be in uppercase. So we can see like all name is in uppercase. So this is the way to use pipe in our Angular 8. Like we use this symbol, and in which format we want, we write that, and we see the desired output. Now I want to put filter for the DOB, like for date also. Let's see, currently actually it is showing date in this format, and I told you first is the month. Actually in Angular 8 it takes. So if I put the pipe for like normal date only, and now let's see on the browser what it is show. So basically the default it is showing like Feb 14 1990. So in this way it is showing, but what I want this date in a particular format. So the next concept come called parameterize pipe. We will understand more about the parameterize uh, pipe in coming videos, but for now, for understanding, we can use it like this in the single quotes, and we have to define like in which format we want it. So like we will use it like and I want this symbol in between the dates. Now let's save it and see on the browser. So we can see we are getting this date in the expected format. So this is the way we create our pipe in the Angular 8, and it's all about the pipe, basic pipe, and type of the pipe in Angular 8. In the coming videos we will learn about the custom pipes and the parameterized pipe, as well as other pipe, that is multiple pipe. So for now that is about the pipes. If you have any doubt or question, please comment. Thank you.